My name is Bella Ventola. I'm the Member Services Representative here at Pinehurst Country Club, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a tea time. First, you will need to go onto the Pinehurst Members website, which can be found at the URL www.pinehurstmembers.com. When you first go to the website, you will see the member login. Please enter your username and password to access the private member portal. After logging in, you will see the front page. At the top, there are 4 different tabs on each side. Hover over the Golf tab and a little menu will appear beneath it. Click on Tea Times. Now you will see the Tea Times page. Scroll down to see the tea sheet. At the top of the sheet, you will see Select Course. Select the drop-down menu and select the course that you would like to see. There is also a calendar icon. Click this to pick the date. Now scroll down to see the times for that course and day. If there is a green button next to the time that says Reserve, that means that the time is open for you to reserve it. Click on the Reserve button next to the time that you would like to reserve for. Now you will see the Book Tea Time menu. Make sure that all the information at the top is correct. Select your party size. You can choose between single, twosome, threesome, or foursome. Below this, you will see the players. You can now select people you would like to play with. Select these by typing in the player's name. When you are done, press Make Tea Time. After you have made the tea time, you should receive a confirmation email. You can also press My Tea Times, which is located at the top of the tea sheet and is the second tab.